Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for April 15th. We're excited to share that we've partnered with the University of Central Florida to produce medical shields and respirator masks with the help of 3D printing. Watch to learn more about how we're collaborating to proactively produce backup supplies to ensure that healthcare workers stay protected during this time.
This process really has been about shoring up the supply to ensure that we have a steady supply of things that meet our standards that are coming into the hospital. The shields and the masks will kind of go into our normal supply chain flow, and internally we are kind of continuing to design a process to get the right protective gear to the right units based on the type of patients they have, whether or not they're caring for patients that have coronavirus, those sort of things. Inside is high quality HEPA air filter material, 2 layers of that. And then on the outside, this is material that's water impermeable that is typically used to wrap surgical instruments when they're sterilized.
And the new Orlando Health Safety Officer role is being introduced to ensure the safety of patients, team members, providers, and visitors by proactively addressing any potential breaches and infection control practices. Each site will have a safety officer who is a current team member assigned by a nurse leader on each shift on dedicated COVID-19 inpatient units, other patient units, or settings with positive or suspected COVID-19 patients. Stay tuned for a special edition of the Orlando Health News Review on Swift to learn more from Orlando Health safety experts on this new role.
The COVID-19 pandemic really brought some challenges to Orlando Health. One of the most important things that we thought about as we faced the challenges of the pandemic was the safety of our team members. We envisioned a new role for the organization that we're calling a safety officer, and the role of the safety officer is to make sure that our team members are donning and doffing the appropriate personal protective equipment and that they have the appropriate supplies they need to keep them safe in this situation.
And some team members received a special delivery of tasty treats to bring smiles and encouragement to our physicians, nurses, and team members across all of Orlando Health and hospitals and facilities. A special thank you to the Walt Disney World cast and community for bringing your magic to the healthcare heroes here at Orlando Health.
From all of us here at Walt Disney World Resort, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for working so hard to keep everyone safe.
And while we would normally schedule our team member forums as in-person events this time of year, the COVID-19 situation has called for an alternative format. You're invited to join David Strong and Dr. Jamal Hakeem at a virtual team member forum coming soon on Swift. And don't forget, you can stay up to date on important information about COVID-19 by checking your email for updates and visiting the newly redesigned COVID-19 site on Swift for additional information, tools, and resources. Check back often as updates are being posted routinely. Well, that's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. See you next week.